Let's start with this. This look. If in any case something happens inside, do like take it through like this. Share screenshot WhatsApp 100% 1,000 rupees. Case back after cashback after 7 days. So they are giving a bribe, which I always don't prefer because उससे ज़्यादा का तो मेरा खर्चा होता है बाबा. 100 रुपए से मेरा कुछ नहीं मिलेगा. So it's supposed to have two. Does it have two thing? Yes. It says that makes sense. So I think दोनों उन्होंने एक ही साथ पैक कर दिया. They don't have a outer package. One bad thing. Second thing, printing quality does not look that great. यहीं से ही मतलब ऊपर से ही I'm just telling. This this. Let's start with this and that one will do दूसरे वाले पे. So let's start with, we can read it and it's way cheaper than anything else. मैं तो सबसे compare करता हूँ. So this is the 8 आठों के 8 ऐसे दिखते हैं. Bruno Stray Dogs ऐसा आठों के 8 and then this is how it starts. This is from the first. This is the idealism detective. Okay, it's a detective agency, but okay, God, it's a light novel with some few pictures. Like seriously, I thought it's that thing, but it's a light novel. Oh, it's going to be hard to read. Then this is like ebook, and this is second because अगर ये Japanese way में होता तो ऐसे लिखा होता. So I can quickly wrap this up. Somewhere there is a little images in between. This is third. This is third, like some in between. So I have to just quickly wrap it up. 55 minutes, fourth volume. This is how it looks. There's some kind of a detective thing. Somewhere in between some images comes, but that is what light novel means. So, but it's good, like you give one page at least to visualize things that way. It's good, like not anything against it. So then this is sixth. Like you can read, at least आपको एक दो images तो मिल रहे हैं ना. So that way you can at least visualize one or two character how it's intended. So you just have something like. Then this is seventh. Yeah, just give a very like जहाँ पे, and this is a little thicker. Eighth. Like action frame where something big is happening, so you can like visualize that one thing. Try to get one image at least. See, good, nice visualization. So I think these are the characters. Dog. Nice. So yeah, link in the description for all this. And this is one. Bye bye. Thank you.